Hey, it's Joram here from Success is Made. On this channel, we have been testing many different AI tools to grow our online business. From ChatGPT-based tools and plugins to the many different prompt-to-image generators. The results are often impressive in case you need images for your blog, for your website, a business plan or a presentation, or just a really cool-looking wallpaper like the one I have here, based on the city of Theed. But wallpapers do not grow your business. Ads and social grow your business. So today we're doing a fun test to see if AI tools are already good enough to replace model photography, to create a social post and to create the creative for an online ad. I will use one of my brands that I haven't been giving enough attention over the last couple of years. It's a brand of fashion accessories, including high quality, handmade sunglasses. And this is of course not higher science, so don't take it too seriously. It's a highly subjective test. But if I end this short video with an image that I find believable and real, I will call it a success. And then you can jump in the comments if you are a fashion model and you think it looks terrible. Do we have a deal? Let's go. Hey, thanks for being here. If you've been here before, you know that we're all about empowering you with all the AI tools, strategies, and mindset for online business success. If you want to hear the secrets to building your own profitable business online and launch several different income streams, make sure to subscribe to Success is Made and become an insider. I first want to show you some images that I created before in Midjourney 6.0. I was looking for a type of man looking a little bit like Sawyer from the Lost TV show.
All right, you got a deal.
I asked for an image for a sunglasses campaign showing a man, stylish, authentic beauty, rugged, athletic, etc. Tropical bar background, shallow depth of field, golden hour, 16:9 aspect ratio, version 6.0. One of these I liked most, especially because the model of the sunglasses is very much on point. So I asked for an upscale of this one. And here's the image upscaled. I think this already looks really good, but I do have a subscription to a tool called Magnific.ai or Magnific.ai. So I also upscaled it with additional AI. So here's Magnific.ai. I uploaded this image. I set creativity at 6, which you should never do, because this is the result. This is the before picture, and here is the after. So yeah, not really usable for a campaign, but just to show you what high creativity does. Then I tried it again with creativity set at 2, and the result is still a little bit too extreme. So also not the style that we're looking for. Creativity set at 0, a little bit more skin detail, and to be honest, this still looks a little bit vague, a little bit blurry, and therefore it looks quite real. If you add more detail, you actually get an image that is even more real. But the question is, do people want to see this detail? In real life, wrinkles and pigment and imperfections like these, we all know that this is the reality, right? We do have wrinkles, we do have imperfections. So do we want to see this in an image, in an ad image? I don't think so. I think the image looks better when you remove some of those details. It's of course a matter of taste, right? So look at the lenses of the sunglasses. So that's actually a really cool detail. And this ad image and this social image is all about the product, about the sunglasses. So would you rather see this or would you rather see this? I think in this image, the attention goes more to the overall image and to his face than to the product. Here, the sunglasses are really striking, right? The effect is stunning. Moving on, creativity set at 2. A little bit more wrinkles, and it does something with the teeth. You see that his mouth opens up a little bit and the teeth behind it are a bit crooked, so not usable. Creativity set at 1. I still think that the original image looks a lot more friendly. Creativity set at 0 again. And we could compare this one with the creativity set at 0 here. And I think it's almost the same. Let's look at the lenses, the gloss and the reflection in the lenses. And they're both almost equal. So what we'll do is we'll download this, and we will of course download the original image. So now we are in later. We're uploading the image and we are adding a caption from ChatGPT. Sunset vibes and sustainable sights. Really good. Dive into style with Being Bar sunglasses, where adventure meets eco-conscious living, beach life, eco-warrior, etc. Cool post. Let's see if we, with this tool, can improve the caption. And it asks me for more money. So let's not do that. Okay. So we are adding this to Instagram and we're adding this to Facebook ads. Now let's do another one. As you can see, there are quite a few good images, but I'm looking for that beachy vibe. So the first couple of images that I created were all fashion images. But I'm going with this brand, I'm going for that beach look, that beach vibe. So I also liked this one, but the model is a bit off. Later, I created this one and I like this image a lot. And I like this one a lot. And I think that beachy vibe, number 4, is even better. So I upscaled it to this, a really cool looking image. I could use this already immediately in an ad or in a social post. But I, of course, tried to upscale it and to improve it in Magnific. Here's the original one. And here is the upscaled one. Very well usable, both of them. This one has a little bit more detail than this one. So the question again is, in social media and in an ad, would you rather go for more detail or for this a little bit more vague, blurry kind of image? So also this one is actually really good and we can use it for a social post. Okay, so that's 2 men. Let's now create an image of a woman in the same style. So we're going for, imagine an attractive girl wearing aviator style sunglasses with bright orange mirror lenses, bohemian style, on the beach, golden hour, 16:9 aspect ratio version 6. And this is really a shame that there's a mark here on the lens and therefore we cannot use it. And I don't like the eyes. The eyes look really fake. Not using that. Let's try number 4. This one is a lot better. This one looks really cool. There is a weird reflection here in the lens, but it could be just distortion. I really like this one. So what I'll do is I will upscale creative. Perhaps you've seen the movie There's Something About Mary. There's this guy who gets his teeth done and it looks a bit like this. It's 2 very large front teeth. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll just do it all again. Let's take the original selection, but with the wrong lens and get 3 variations. I like this one a lot. So I'll take this one and I'll try to upscale it in Magnific. I upscale ×4. The only thing I do is set the creativity at +1. I let it choose the engine. HDR, it's all about increases definition and detail. So I won't touch that because you've seen in the previous image with the guy what that can do. So it's now upscaling the image. Here you can see something I did a while ago. This really is not the style that I'm looking for. This really is like a fashion image. It could be on the city streets of Paris or Milan. But again, this is not the style that I'm looking for. Upscaling ×4 leads to a final image size of 6K and it costs 20 credits. And we have, how many credits do we have? We have 2,500 credits at the start of a month. This is quite an expensive tool. You pay $40 per month for these high quality upscales. And I've never been able to complete every single credit I had in a month. Okay, the original one is this one, a bit blurry. It's a bit dreamy and I like the style. The dreamy style is also in line with the brand. And here is more detail, creativity set at 1. You see that something weird is going on with the teeth, with the freckles, with the nose, with the eyes. So let's do this again, but set the creativity at 0. Just upscale it ×4. Okay, and here we are. The original image is here. We've seen it a couple of times now. Here's the original image. And if we add more detail, look at the eyes. Looks stunning, except for, again, the nose and the mouth. And I haven't been adding more creativity here, so not really sure why it's doing that. So just like with the previous image, I will go for the mid-journey version, this version. Okay, we go to later, we create post, we add media, there we go. So now we need a caption. Going to ChatGPT, looking for a caption for Instagram for our brand. The image is showing an attractive girl, ginger hair, at golden hour, wearing a pair of our sunglasses. Please stick to the caption and hashtag limit for Instagram. Okay, looks really good. Golden hour glows better with being bar. Nice, because of the orange tint as well. So I'll use this, adding the caption, and I'm scheduling it for 6 o'clock. Okay, let's take a look at our feed. Here we go. Here is our first image. Is this acceptable as an image for social media? Would you say that this is AI generated, or would you say that this is real? I leave this up to you. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Know that you are highly appreciated. Keep pushing your limits, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.